Hey everybody, my name is Jenny and I am super excited because I just got the Ultimate Redhead Skincare Bundle Kit from Bambu Earth. And as a redhead, my face is very, very important because my hair draws all of the attention to that. So I'm super excited to kind of talk you through what I got. And yeah, I'm just super excited. So there's 8 whole things in this Ultimate Skincare Bundle. You can go ahead and get one that has a little less, but why not get the bigger one? So rosewater cleanser first off, which I already did today. So I'm actually going to go with the rosemary toner. And toner is super important just because it gets off of the just any other impurities that are there after I've washed. And I'm using their facial pad. So I put the rose water cleanser on one side and now I'm doing this on the other side. So I like that you can use one pad for one day, which is nice, and then just throw it in my laundry, wash it at the end of the week. Oh. And I love the toner because it has apple cider vinegar but no alcohol, which is nice if it's not super drying, but also just restores the pH of my skin, which is really important for keeping redness away. And then there's also this repairing facial serum, which I'm super stoked to use because it has pumpkin seed, rosehead, meadow foam. But this thing is for acne scars, and I actually used to have really terrible skin. Really, really terrible. You need to go see a dermatologist. And I started using Bambu Earth, and my skin has not only cleared up, but I get so many compliments now, and people are always asking me, what do you do? And I'm like, I just use Bambu Earth. That's all I use, and it's really helped my skin get brighter and just clear up. I have a couple blemishes, which you probably can kind of see, but that's how they look. Just super, not super red, which is a miracle in and of itself. So this is the repairing facial serum. I'm just massaging it in. Oh, it feels heavenly. And one of the things that I actually really love about Bambu Earth is that they come with this skincare guide. And if you're like me and I didn't really know anything about skincare when I was a teenager, I just tried whatever was working at the time, and I didn't know about this is what you should do first, and then this, and then this. This is super helpful, just kind of giving you a guideline of what you could be doing, what you should be doing, but the order, really. And so I will do the cleanser, the toner, and the serum all in one go. If I'm feeling like I maybe want to do some extra stuff, they also have the Makeup Dirt Cleansing Oil, which has, it has the frankincense oil, which is one of my favorite things. They actually have it in a few different products, but frankincense is super healing and just great for your skin. It makes me feel good. But they also have, so I'll do that sometimes if I just need an oil cleansing. And then there's also the Pumpkin Oat Glow and Mask, which you can use as an exfoliant, or you can actually do it as a mask. I love masks. They're part of my self-care routine. But I like that it's exfoliating. It just gets off of some of the dead skin. And if I have, a slight sunburn, it helps with that, with the oat, because the oat is very, I think it's like a humectant. It's just very moisturizing and helps calm my skin. And speaking of sunburns, as a redhead, I get a lot of those. Just fair skin, I turn red, back to white. There's no tanning. One of my favorite things to do is actually at night when I'm doing my nighttime routine, I'll throw on the Petite grain moisturizer. And that, I mean, it has the shea butter, it has the jojoba, the sweet almond, and the Petite grain. But this is one of my favorite things to put on if I have just like a little bit of sunburn. I'll put it like all on here if I have a little bit of that. But it's my favorite just because I'll put it on, and then by the morning, like that sunburn is completely gone. I don't know what magical miracle thing is in here, just the mixture of the ingredients, but it really saves my skin from all of the like just daily kind of sunburns if my sunscreen is not working well, or if I'm out for like a long time. And then there's also this, so redheads generally have like dry skin. I actually have kind of oily skin, but you can't, I don't know if you can tell on this video, because my skin has kind of balanced itself. I was super oily, and after using the products, I've been using them for like 3 years, I think. Yeah, my skin has been totally transformed. It's not oily, like maybe like a little bit at night, but not like the end of the day. Not super oily anymore. It's just fantastic. My pH has been completely restored. But there's this intense hydration facial mist. So anytime that it's getting super dry out, or super cold, this is super helpful, just to give yourself a little extra moisture, for those of you redheads who do have dry skin. So this is just, it feels really good. It feels really luxurious to like spray something on your face. And it smells really good. So I'm just drying it out a little bit. So you can do the toner, and then I might have done that out of order, but you know, that's okay. You can do that like throughout the day, if you're feeling kind of drier, because I know that happens to me throughout the day. Sometimes I'll need to actually give myself a little bit extra oomph, a little extra love. So that's great to like carry in your purse and just spray yourself if you're like having a day that your face is just not working. And then last but not least, there's also the Intense Hydration Cactus Concentrate. This, I was super excited when they announced this, because it just, I don't know what it was about it. I was just drawn to this beautiful color, and the fact that it has cactus in it, and it has does it have shea? It does. It has the rosemary as well, and turmeric and frankincense. Like, this thing is chock full of things. And really, this is just wonderful, and it smells really cool. So I'm just gonna get like a little bit. It says a dime size amount. I think that's a dime. I'm really bad at those things, but just letting it kind of melt in my hands like that, and then just press on. And again, if you're having just a sunburn or like a really dry day, this is good to just love your skin a little bit more. And I'll let this soak in as well, because it is very potent. There's a lot in here. It's important to let that soak into your skin so that you get all of the benefits before kind of putting on makeup or anything like that. I actually don't really put on makeup anymore. It's been a while since I've felt the need to kind of cover up my face. Since using this kind of products, like I just go bare face with a little bit of sunscreen. Gotta protect that pale skin. But yeah, it's just been great, and my skin is just so bright and firm. And I get told that I look super young, and I am not. So that is a really big benefit. And one of the things that I love is that in using Bambu Earth, I not only have these amazing skincare products that have the best ingredients and really are ethical and give reasons why they choose the products that they do, But I also have just a team of really awesome women led by Amber who are just so caring and really want you to have your skin be just a part of who you are. They want to love on you with your skin and your skincare. So I always feel super loved and appreciated from them, and always feel like I want to support them just because they have the best ingredients and they have just the best products, and they also just make me feel super beautiful all the time. And it is something that I definitely splurge on. It's wonderful. I love it. So I hope you learned a little bit about this Ultimate Redhead Skincare Bundle, and if you are a redhead, I really recommend that you look into this kit and then see what changes with your skin. All right, thank you. Bye.